No.
Good evening, Clay. Good evening, Clay. Clay said, same hand over your heart. 1, 2, 3.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Do you remember that?
Have a seat.
Do you remember that?
Rule number 1, we should be sitting crisscross apple. Rule number 2, hands an hour. And rule number 3 is a bubble an hour. We want to thank everybody for coming beforehand. The book we're going to act out today is Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. This is the cover of the book. The title of the book is called Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. The person who wrote the book is called the author. Everybody say Bill Martin Jr. And John Archambault. The person who made all the wonderful pictures that we're going to get to act out tonight is called the illustrator. Everybody say Lois Eller. This is for your record. A told B and B told C, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Said D to E, F, G, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka, will there be enough room? Here comes H of the coconut tree. And I and J and tag along. Chicka chicka, will there be enough room? Look who's coming. L M N O P. And Q R S and T U V. Still more. W X Y and Z. Here we go. The whole alphabet. Up. The. Oh no! Chicka chicka. Follow your teacher. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Sticks and Scooby-Doo, quick, pop, clean. Everybody's running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears and dust out their help us up, cried A, B, C. Next from the pile up is Skinny D and Stub Toe E and Patched Up F and then comes G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped. N black-eyed Q. Q-R-S, oh my goodness, and loose to T. Then U, V, W, they wiggle, jiggle, free. Last to come is X, Y, Z. Alexa. And the sun goes down. Shh, good night. But chicka chicka, boom boom, look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what she said.
There's double dip. You can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree.
Chicka chicka. Stand up, clap your hands. Okay, if you are a letter, stand up firm. And turn and face me. Because we're going to show them how we teeter-totter. Are you ready? Pull your throats out. Hey! Me. Okay, well, let's do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Teeter-totter, teeter-totter, ta-ta-ta. A teeter-totter, teeter-totter, ta-ta-ta. Thumbs up, elbows back. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a wonderful feeling. I'm teeter-totter, teeter-totter, ta-ta-ta. A teeter-totter, teeter-totter, ta-ta-ta. Thumbs up, elbows back, feet together, bottoms up. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a wonderful feeling. I'm teeter-totter, teeter-totter, ta-ta-ta. A teeter-totter, teeter-totter, ta-ta-ta. Thumbs up, elbows back, feet together, bottoms up.